Okay, what we might notice here is that the sway bar link is missing on this vehicle. Bolts in right here, and here's the other end. Should be on the shock tower. So we're going to remove the old hardware and put a new one in. Okay, all that remains is the hardware, and we're going to cut that off with an angle grinder. I'll turn down the sound. Now you can try to take something like this off with a socket, you know, and something to grip the other end, but believe me, it's not worth the effort. I've tried. Cutting them off, quick and effective. Okay, now we'll just smooth this down. See if we can punch it out now. Okay, I'm getting in here on the lower end with a Sawzall with a good sharp metal blade, and that'll make short work of it. This sawing is causing a lot of jiggle on that sway bar, which just floats in there. Okay, we have some material here again to grind off. I try to take it off here with a socket, and that's not going to go. So we'll grind the rest of this off. Stick a pair of ice grips on it when it's ground down and pull it out. Okay, let's install this sway bar link. So we've got the bottom nut started. You can see the gap here. So we're going to have to put a jack underneath here to underneath the wheel. Lower control arm and get it up high enough to where we can fit it in there. Okay, so we jacked it up high enough to get the strut up and fit it in. Just used a little scissors jack on the floor underneath there. Okay, these are 15 millimeter. I couldn't find a torque spec for this, but just get it good and tight. It's not a super critical torque operation. That should be more than enough. Repeat on the bottom and we're done. Thanks for watching.